Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Words for Wonder. Today is day 10 of our 30-day vocabulary building challenge. Let's get started. आज हम एक ऐसे मजेदार शब्द की बात करेंगे जो उन लोगों के लिए है जिनकी कहानियां सुन के आपको बहुत मजा आता है। क्या आपने कभी किसी ऐसे इंसान को सुना है जिसकी मजेदार और दिलचस्प कहानियों में आप खो जाते हों? वेल, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ऐसे इंसान को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए एक शब्द है. इट्स कॉल्ड raconteur. The word raconteur is a noun. It refers to someone who is skilled at storytelling. The word has French origin, means to tell. So a raconteur is someone who has a gift of spinning tales in such a manner that keeps the audience hanging onto each word. Okay, let's understand this word by an example. Imagine you are at a dinner party and one of the guests begins to narrate his story of his recent trip to mountains. Instead of just saying that he has been to mountains or so places, they begin telling the story with very vivid details. For example, the way the breeze felt on their face, the sight of the golden sun setting behind the mountains, the sound of leaves crunching beneath their feet. So such people do not give you just information, they literally paint pictures with their words. Let's take another example. Imagine you are at a gathering and someone begins to tell his story of them being lost in a city. A raconteur will give you vivid details. For example, the bustling streets of the city, the conversations they overheard, so or so. Such people narrate things so vividly, you are not just listening to them, you are actually experiencing the whole thing. Let's talk about famous raconteurs from history. The name which strikes my mind is Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was not just any writer, he was a real raconteur. He is known for his witty and humorous storytelling. Oscar Wilde could hold entire rooms' attention with his clever witticism and captivating narratives. Let's talk about another name, that is Mark Twain. Mark Twain was also a master raconteur. He is also known for his wit and humor. So whether he is narrating incidents from his childhood or just giving a speech, he would narrate the incident in such a manner that would make the ordinary thing seems extraordinary. Here's a fun fact. Research has shown that a good storytelling, that is what a raconteur does. So, a good storytelling activates parts of our brain which are associated with sensory experiences such as sight and sound. So, this is the reason when we listen to a good story, we get so captivated and thrilled. Because they are not just narrating a story, they are actually triggering our imagination. Let's talk about a closely related phrase, that is, gift of gab. If someone has the gift of the gab, that means they have a natural tendency at speaking in a charming and persuasive way. Whereas a raconteur is one who excels at storytelling. So people like radio jockeys have the gift of the gab. And they can talk about almost anything and make it sound interesting and engaging. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something new. If you like my content, please feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.